Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In this video, we will learn about type conversion in JavaScript, specifically implicit and explicit conversion. This is a beginner-friendly topic but very important because type conversion happens a lot in JavaScript, sometimes without us realizing. Now, why do we even need to learn this? Well, first, it helps us avoid unexpected bugs. Sometimes JavaScript automatically changes the type behind the scenes, and if we do not know that, our code can break. Second is whenever we work with the user input or API, the data often comes in as a string, but we may need numbers or booleans. Third is a type conversion allow us to do proper calculation instead of wrong result. And finally, it helps us to write clean and predictable code. So what exactly is a type conversion? It simply means changing a value from one data type to another. And in JavaScript, we have two main ways, implicit and explicit type conversion. Implicit conversion also got type coercion. This happens automatically. Explicit, where we do it manually using functions like number, string or booleans methods. Let's first look at implicit conversion. JavaScript automatically converts value depending on the operation. For example, we use the plus operator. If one value is a string, the other value gets converted to a string as well. So let's quickly jump to VS Code and see some examples for this. So here 5 plus 2 as a string value 5 and number value 2 becomes 52 because JavaScript converts the number into string. Let me run this. See, this gives you 52 here, and but 5 minus 2 means string minus number. This gives a number because now it converts this string 5 into a number value. Similarly, 2 multiplied by 3 becomes 6, and if we compare 10 double equal to 10, JavaScript say true because it converts types automatically, but that's why sometimes this can be tricky. If you see this 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6, 10 is equal to 10 true, but when we write triple equal, this give false. So explicit conversion also here. Now the safer and clearly way is to use explicit conversion. This means we convert the type ourselves using built-in function like number, string, boolean, parseInt, parseFloat. Let's move to VS Code and see some examples. If you see, so here number, let me run this first. Yes, so here number 123 gives the type of as a 123 as a number value, and string 456 gives as a string value. If we convert 1 into a boolean, we get a true as a output. And parseInt 42 pixel takes only the number part and ignore the rest one, means it takes only the number part 42 and ignore the px value. If you see the output, this gives 42 here. And parseFloat value 3.14 gives us a floating point number also. So alright, here some quick best practices for this is always try to use explicit conversion because it makes your code more readable. Avoid using double equal because it done type coercion automatically. Instead use triple equal for strict quality. Make sure to validate your input before converting, especially with data from user or APIs. And remember how JavaScript treat empty string null or undefined. For example, empty string becomes false when converted to boolean. And so that is a quick guide to type conversion in JavaScript, both implicit and explicit. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to JDCodebase, and check out the playlist where we are covering the entire JavaScript series step by step. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.